Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a short 3-minute scalp massage. That's my doggy. She made sure to let you know that she's here. She's a Frenchie. She loves to snore. If you know, you know. Her name is Nala. If you follow me on TikTok, I've mentioned her before and she's made her grand appearance by just her snores. I covered her in her stitchy blanket and she's just hanging out on the bed while I work. Let's get straight into this massage. It's going to be a short and sweet video. If you're interested in longer tutorials, there are longer tutorials on my channel. Let's get started. We're going to start this scalp massage by doing light taps on the scalp. Tap, 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 tap. I slept in braids last night, so my scalp is a little bit tense. I love to make sure that I do a morning scalp massage after I release my braids because it's pulled for like 8 hours, but I definitely don't do it too tight because I don't like the headache. So we're gonna go from the top down to the back of the neck. And one more time, top and back. Oh my god, you guys, I recorded a TikTok and I could only find one hoop. I forgot that I had it on. Let me take that off. Yeah. Using our palms here, we're gonna do circles, firm pressure. Oh my god, that feels so freaking good. Firm pressure. Reminder, we are only moving the scalp, not the hair. 10 circles. 1, 2, 3. Reminder to keep your chin up, shoulders relaxed, and deep breaths. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. We're gonna do a little scalp shake, up and down, still holding firm pressure on the scalp using the palms. Relax your shoulders, up and down, up and down. It's a little tense for me right here. Whew, my goodness. We're gonna move to the back of the middle of the scalp. Okay, it's gonna be in the back of the scalp. Right in the middle, we're gonna do 10 circles using our fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down where the squishy part is at the bottom of the scalp, 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And shake it up. Reminder to relax your shoulders, deep breaths. Lastly, we're just gonna do taps. Tap, 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 tap. Gentle. Relax your shoulders. Back of the neck. Side of the neck. Other side. We kept it short and sweet today. We can shake out the fingers, shake out the hands, relax the shoulders. Please stay hydrated after every scalp massage. I will see you next time.